Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and we're going to walk through the 2013 Sea Ray 220 Sundeck. This boat just came into us on trade. It's a MarineMax owned boat and it's in excellent condition. It has a 5-liter Mercruiser IO engine, Sundeck on the back, ample seating. The previous owners put SeaDeck throughout the entire boat from the swim deck to the bow, so SeaDeck throughout the whole cockpit area. This boat does have a bimini top. Cushions are in excellent condition. Updated stereo system. We do have a bow table in the cockpit. Coming up to the helm, we've got radio controls, analog gauges, and we do have a Garmin GPS sonar that mounts there. Head area, porta potty. Coming up front, we've got storage underneath all the seating. There is a bow filler cushion that goes in here, so this turns into one large sun pad. Up at the bow, the anchor locker is also a swim ladder, so you can access from the bow if you're pulling up to the beach with a freshwater washdown. This is the second freshwater washdown. There's also one at the stern. This boat does come with a trailer. It is turnkey, ready to go at a great price. Awesome boat. Come on down to MarineMax Westbrook and take a look.